Probably one of the nicest 66 Mustang convertibles I've seen in a while. Beautiful red car, black interior, white convertible top. Amazing condition. You gotta love the luggage rack. Just has that classic look. 289 V8, power steering, air conditioning. Just a beautiful, all the trim, the chrome. She runs beautiful. I just took her for a nice ride. Top is like brand new on this car. I'm gonna say it is brand new. Factory wire wheel covers. Just a really nice, well-optioned Mustang convertible, 1966. If you're looking for a show condition cruiser, this is the car. Excellent condition, in and out. The paint is beautiful. The chrome is beautiful. The interior is beautiful. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. You just don't see them like this every day. Stunning example of a 66 Ford Mustang convertible.